change in quantity supplied and change in supply, under which we have already done expansion of supply and increase in supply. Now we are doing contraction of supply and decrease in supply. So change in quantity supplied, now you know, is movement along the given supply curve because of price change. Only one reason, price change. So let's assume on this graph, on x-axis you have quantity, on y-axis you have price. So originally at P price, what you were supplying as a producer is Q quantity. Now price came down from P to P1. So quantity, see, quantity has also come down from Q to Q1. So if I join this P1 and Q1, I get a point here. And if I join both the points, I can see the SS supply curve. When price was at P, quantity supplied was Q1. Now you can see contraction of supply, that is downward movement of along the same supply curve. Contraction of supply is downward movement along the same supply curve. Supply of commodity falls. You can see that supply of commodity has fallen from Q to Q1 as a result of fall in price. Price has also fallen from P to P1. So as a result of fall in price from P to P1, supply of quantity has also fallen from Q to Q1. That is called as contraction of supply. Decrease in quantity supplied has come down. Price falls, so quantity supplied falls. Better to use the word falls. Price falls, so quantity supplied falls. That is called as contraction of supply. This is contraction of supply, or on the same supply curve, downward movement along the same supply curve. Now under change in supply, we have already done increase in supply. Now decrease in supply. It means shift of the supply curve due to change in other factors other than price. Okay. So what is decrease in supply? Let's take the graph. If on x-axis we have quantity, y-axis we have price. At P price we were supplying Q quantity, and this was our original supply curve SS. Now the price is same. Still the quantity demanded has become less. So from Q it has come to Q1. So I will get another point over here. This line, this new point over here. So originally it was SS supply curve. Now it is moved from SS to S1. That is, the whole supply curve shifts towards the left. That is called as decrease in supply. Leftward shift. You can see this leftward shift of supply curve from SS to S1. This is called as decrease in supply. Reason is change of other factors. Other factors means other than price.